Hello! Are you ready to talk about something so cool? Today, we're going to find out how super smart computers are making our favorite games and apps work perfectly. It's awesome. So picture this. You're playing a game, you're on the last level, you're about to win, and bam! The screen just freezes, or the whole game just turns off. Has that ever happened to you? Ugh! It's the worst, isn't it? So annoying. Well, those pesky little problems have a name. They're called bugs. You can think of them like tiny mistakes in the game's rulebook that make everything get all mixed up. But what if there was a secret helper? Someone who could help fix those mistakes? A super duper helper whose only job is to find all those sneaky little bugs before you even start playing? Well, guess what? There is. It's called Generative AI. Whoa, that sounds like a big fancy name, right? But it's actually super simple. Just think of it like a computer with a giant brain that can learn stuff and then create totally new things all on its own. Okay, imagine you have a magic coloring book. First, you show it 100 pictures of cats. Then, you show it 100 pictures of dogs. The magic coloring book learns everything about cats and dogs, and then poof, it can draw a picture of a brand new puppy, a puppy nobody has ever seen before. That's what generative AI does. It learns from things and then it makes something new. How cool is that? Wow. So this amazing AI helper has not one, not two, but three superpowers it uses to catch those bugs. Are you ready to find out what they are? Okay, let's go. Superpower number one, it imagines a bajillion ways to test a game. Seriously, the AI thinks of everything you might do, like running and jumping and opening a chest, but it also thinks of really silly things, like trying to talk to a rock or jump backwards off a cliff. It makes a huge list of every possible thing to try. And here comes superpower number two. It creates pretend players to do all the testing. It's like having a whole team of little robot friends that play the game over and over, trying everything on that giant list. And because they're pretend players, all your real information and your high scores stay super duper safe. And now for the third superpower, which is maybe the coolest one of all. This AI helper can predict where bugs might be hiding. It's like a detective. It looks at all the old games and remembers where the tricky bugs used to show up. So when a new game is being made, the AI can say, hey, I bet a bug is going to hide over here, and the game makers can fix it before we even see it. And you know what's really neat? There isn't just one of these AI super helpers. Oh no, there are lots of different kinds. For example, there's one called Tools, and it's like a little artist. It checks all the pictures in the game to make sure the characters and colors look just right. All these different helpers work together to make our games amazing. Okay, so we know this helper is smart, but why is this so awesome for you? How does this make your games and apps way more fun? Well, it's amazing for three big reasons. First, you get new games and cool updates super fast because the AI does all that testing work really quickly. Second, your favorite apps almost never crash. And third, because the games are tested so well, they're just more fun to play. No more annoying glitches. Whew, that was a ton of cool stuff, right? Let's take a deep breath and remember the three most important things we learned today. Ready? Okay, thing number one. We learned that those annoying computer bugs are just little mistakes that can break our games. Thing number two, we found out there's a super smart helper called Generative AI that can find those bugs and even guess where they're hiding. And thing number three, all of this means we get better and more fun games and apps, and we get them faster than ever. Oh, but wait, I've got one more thing for you. A super cool fun fact. This AI is so smart, it can read what people say about a game online and guess how it made them feel. It knows if people are feeling happy and excited, or maybe even a little bit frustrated. That way the people who make the games know exactly which parts are the most fun. So that just leaves us with one last big fun question to think about. If this amazing AI can help fix games, what kind of amazing new game do you think it could make all by itself? Whoa, imagine that! Thanks for hanging out with me today.